Hi kids! Wow, so many things! Let's open it. One, two, three.
Yeah.
Do you know that they all are erasers? You can also separate their parts. A butterfly, black color, green color. This is so nice.
Wow! Wow!
Second one is a flower. This is so colorful. A red color flower. Third one is a bird. This is cockatoo bird. Yellow color. Join them again. Black color butterfly. Red color, green color. A pink color bird.
No.
Hi kids! Wow, so many vegetables! And also so colorful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 vegetables. Our first vegetable is pumpkin. Yellow color, green color. Our second vegetable is a red bell pepper. Red color, green color. Third vegetable is a carrot. Green color, orange color. Our fourth vegetable is also a carrot, but the color is different. Green color, red color. Our fifth vegetable is a radish. Green color, white color. Eggplant is our sixth vegetable. Purple color, green color. And our last vegetable is cucumber. Green color.
Wow! Wow!
Join them again. Pumpkin. Red bell pepper. Carrot. eggplant. Radish. Carrot. And the last one is cucumber. Keep them aside. Hi kids.
Wow!
So many things. Let's open it. One, two, three, four. The first one is omelette. Red color is a frying pan. This is red color. White color is the egg white. And yellow is the yolk. You can say it egg poach also. This is very tasty. Next is a hot dog. Red color, green color and yellow color. Do you like to eat hot dog, kids?
No.
The third one is a dream cake. This is so colorful.
Hiya!
And the last one is a biscuit.
Wow!
Cream biscuit. Blue color and white color. Let's join them again. Do you like them, kids? Now tell me which one is your favorite. Now keep them aside one by one. Oh wow, color pens! So many colors. Our first one is pink color. Second is purple color. Third is green color. Fourth is blue color. Fifth is orange color. Sixth is yellow color. And our last color, seventh color, is red color. Today we will learn alphabets. Let's start. Blue color. A. A for ant. A for also aeroplane. Pink color. B. B for bulbul. B for also banana. Green color. C. C for camel. C for also cat. Orange color. D. D for dog. D for dolphin. Purple color. E. E for egg. E for also elephant. Our next color is red. F. F for frog. F for also fish. Yellow color. G. G for goat. G for also guava. Our next color is again pink. H. H for horse. H for hen. Our last color is blue. I. I for ice cream. I for also iguana. Now say with me kids. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Bye bye kids, keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.